He lost a love that he had labored for, and now he could not get back to her except for a serenade that he could bask in, that made a trail of love worth remembering. Now resides in his heart love or serenade, whistles of exhaustion continue to emanate. For each sail of his body that I merely watched until my eyes turned ruddy, that I did not have for him any joinder. You never know what love does agender. She says she loves you, forgive me, she tells him. She has ridden a chariot of time, tells him to cover the love like water with rime. To wait for her is to kill time. To decide on time is in life to chime. They say she may not apologize. Learn from the mistakes and rise and rise. I'm in the middle, lost in the riddle of love of two. I cannot do any coup.